Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you follow this channel for a while, you know that RV security is something I take very seriously. And one of the easiest security and convenient upgrades you can make to your RV is replacing the factory door lock. Now, before we jump into today's review, I just want to mention that this isn't my first experience with ONNAIS. We've actually been using an earlier version of the ONNAIS keyless entry door lock for the past couple years. Now, during that time, it's performed great and has become one of those upgrades you use every single time you go out to camp. So when ONNAIS reached out about their new GuardSmart RV keyless door lock, I was excited to see what improvements they made and how it compares to the lock I've been using. Now, I'll show you the quick and easy installation process, the app setup, and the smart features, and at the end of the video I'll share my honest thoughts along with the pros and the cons after using the new ONNAIS GuardSmart RV lock. The first step is removing the factory RV door lock, or in our case, our ONNAIS Guard Pro door lock. On most fifth wheels and travel trailers, this is a pretty straightforward project. After removing the screws from the inside of the door, the lock assembly slides right out. The ONNAIS GuardSmart fits directly into the existing opening. Now let's align and secure the strike plate by the two screws. Once the wiring harness is connected, the interior and exterior assemblies are secured together using the included hardware. The entire installation took me roughly 10 to 15 minutes using only an Allen wrench that's included with the hardware in the box. Once everything's tightened down, let's check to see if everything's working correctly. Before we can set the codes, it's time to power up with 4 AA batteries. The setup process was quick and simple. After downloading the ONNAIS app, I paired the lock via Bluetooth and was connected within just a couple of minutes. Once I logged into my account on the app, one thing I immediately noticed is that the app does a lot more than simply lock and unlock the door. Using the app couldn't be easier. Simply open the app and slide your finger across the screen to lock or unlock your RV. Another great feature is you can customize backlighting and sound settings directly from the app. One feature I really love is the ability to see if the batteries are getting low. You can quickly check your battery status at any time. Another new feature is the ability to share access with trusted users. Whether that's a family member, a friend, or an RV tech, you can provide one-time access without handing over a physical key or divulging your password. The app also keeps a record of lock activity, so you can see exactly when the lock was operated. Now, these are features you simply don't get with other RV door locks, but what I really like most about the GuardSmart lock is that it offers 4 different ways to get into your RV. As I mentioned earlier, you can lock and unlock the RV directly from your phone with a simple slide command. It's quick, convenient, and perfect when you don't have a key handy. The second option is entering your code directly on the keypad. The keypad's backlit, making it easy to use at night. It also includes one of my favorite security features, anti-peeping password entry. Now what this is, it allows you to enter random digits before and after your passcode. As long as your correct code appears somewhere within that sequence, the lock will unlock. And the keypad supports up to 32 digits entered at one time, giving you plenty of flexibility. The third option is the included remote key fob. This is especially useful when your hands are full. Simply press the unlock button before you reach the door and you're ready to go. And did I tell you how heavy and well built these key fobs are? They're actually heavier than my truck fob. And finally, there's a physical backup key. What's unique is that the backup key is stored directly inside the key fob. I really like this design because you're less likely to lose track of your emergency key. No matter what happens, you'll always have another way to get inside your RV. One of the first improvements I noticed compared to my previous ONNAIS lock is the handle. The Guard Smart features a large grab handle that's much easier to hold on to while entering or exiting the RV. It's a small change, but one that makes a noticeable difference. The lock is weather resistant and built to handle the conditions RV owners encounter while camping. Another great improvement to the lock is the Guard Smart includes an internal deadbolt mechanism. While only a single latch tongue is visible from the exterior, the reinforced internal structure helps improve durability and security. Another thoughtful addition is the emergency power port. So let's say your internal batteries are completely depleted and you don't have access to your backup key. The emergency power port right here in the middle allows you to temporarily provide power to the lock so you can regain entry. After installing and using the Guard Smart RV lock, these are my biggest likes. First, the overall quality of the lock. This lock feels extremely solid and well built, along with the 2 heavy key fobs you get with it. I also like the 4 ways you can unlock your RV, whether it's the app, the keypad, the key fob, or physical key. You've always got a backup option available so you don't get locked out of your RV. And this lock is so easy to install, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. But my biggest likes have been to all the upgrades, such as the improved grab handle, the ability to monitor your batteries, share access, and review activity history adds a lot of functionality to this great lock. Now let's talk about a few of the cons. First, the app relies on Bluetooth connectivity, so you'll need to be within range of the lock to operate it remotely. And finally, the lock does cost a little bit more than simply keeping your factory lock, but for me, the convenience, the security features, and the everyday usability just helps justify the investment. So if you're looking for a practical RV security upgrade that also makes everyday camping more convenient, the ONNAIS Guard Smart is definitely worth considering. If you'd like more information, I'll put a link in the description below, along with a 20% discount code. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you on the next adventure.